How you doing, everybody? Matt here with American Campfire Creations, and we're out here tonight at the Grand Canyon South Rim at our boondocking site with our RV. And I'm gonna do some charcoal grilling tonight. I'm making some turkey burgers, and as a healthier alternative side, I'm making some grilled zucchini slices. So I'm gonna go ahead and get inside and prep that, and we can get it thrown on the grill. And like always, everybody, don't forget to subscribe, check out some of my other videos, turn on notifications so you can keep track of our trip across America, see some of the awesome sites that we're going to be seeing. Right now, we're on number 6 of 142 stops across America and Canada. So don't hesitate to ask any questions. And as always, let's get to it. So I thought tonight, before I started the prep, that I'd go ahead and show you guys a quick little video of how my pop-up fire pit works and get some of the charcoals lit up and ready to go for tonight's dinner. All right, we're inside now. Gonna go ahead and prep up our zucchinis and burgers. Just gonna give these a quick slice on the bias. Not too thin because I don't want them to fall down between the grates. Give them a little bit of a rinse off. There we go. So grilled zucchini is one of my favorite. You can't beat that flavor. And especially off the grill, the nice charred flavor and smokiness. And I've been using wood coals, hickory wood coals, and they give the food an amazing smoky flavor. And it's high heat that lasts twice as long as your regular charcoal would. So I know that any food that I put over them is going to come out amazing. All right, so we got our zucchinis here. I'm going to go ahead and toss these in oil, S&P, and then go ahead and form up my patties. All right, so I got my 1 pound of ground turkey here. I use the 93.7 because I like it to be pretty lean. You know, just that's my preference. And I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic, chopped garlic, gluten-free breadcrumbs, some S&P, and this is a new seasoning that I picked up while we've been over here at the Grand Canyon. It's a mix of salt, pepper, garlic, bell pepper, onion, good stuff. Figured I'd give it a try. It caught my eye when we were in the market over here, so I'm gonna see how it comes out on these burgers. Just a quick mix. So I'm going to form these into about 5 ounces per burger, because the package, I misspoke, actually reads 20 ounces. So we'll get 4 burgers at about 5 ounces each. So I'm going to go ahead and get the grill prepped up. A little bit of oil. A little bit of water. Alrighty, we're ready to go. So I went ahead and flipped my zucchinis here. Gonna go ahead and flip the burgers. Gonna flip the zucchinis one more time just to get a little bit more color on this side. Then go ahead and add my gluten-free buns using the Udi's gluten-free burger buns tonight. And then we'll go inside and enjoy. All right, here we go. We got our buns on, toasting them up. Nothing better than a nice smoky toasted bun. Burgers are perfect. Nice and juicy still, but got that 165 all the way through. As you can see here, we got some nice color on the zucchini slices, grill marks. Should be a good dinner tonight. So everything turned out great. As you can see, got some nice grill marks on the buns here. I'm gonna go ahead and dish the burgers up on there. Wife likes ranch on hers. We love this dairy-free ranch. It's pretty good stuff. And this avocado mayo and ketchup for me. And I'm gonna have me a nice milk nitro. And we're gonna sit down and enjoy these burgers, maybe watch some Netflix. Well, that's a wrap on my video on turkey burgers and grilled zucchinis at the Grand Canyon. We're gonna go ahead and enjoy these, and as always, be easy, guys, and I'll see you around the next campfire.